Hi there, welcome to Chef Nico's kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to prepare the perfect Portuguese Caldo Verde soup. With linguiça sausage, diced potato, and chopped collard greens. Don't forget at the end of this video to hit the like button and subscribe, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Start this easy recipe by peeling and chopping the onions, and finely mince the garlic. Peel and dice the potatoes into half-inch pieces, and set all aside. Remove the thick center stems from the collard greens or kale. Then, finely chop and wash them well, and let it sit in water for a few minutes. Cut the linguiça or Spanish chorizo into 1/4 to half-inch rounds. Heat half of the olive oil in a Dutch oven or a large pot over medium heat. Add the sausage and sauté for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once done, use a slotted spoon to transfer the sausage to a plate and reserve, leaving the sausage drippings in the pot. Add the rest of the olive oil and the onions to the pot, and cook them until soft and translucent, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add the garlic and cook for another 45 seconds to a minute. Add the diced potatoes and the broth, and bring to a boil. Then, Reduce the heat to low and simmer covered for 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Add 2 or 3 half-inch pieces of the sausage to the pot. This is to add flavor to the broth as it cooks. After about 20 minutes of cooking, the potatoes should be tender and ready. Pierce with a fork to check the doneness. Scoop out of the pot about 1/4 of the potatoes and reserve for later. Using an immersion blender, or in batches in a regular blender, puree the soup until silky smooth. Once done, return the pot back to medium-low heat. Add back in the reserved diced potatoes. Add the collard greens or kale. Slightly cover and simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes until the greens are wilted and tender but still bright green. After 3 to 5 minutes of cooking, season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the reserved sliced sausage to the pot and let simmer for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, your Portuguese Caldo Verde soup is ready to serve. Portion the soup among bowls. Add a drizzle of olive oil if desired, and serve with some crusty or rustic bread on the side. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.